Hello, Dubai.
Just landed.
Welcome to Dubai.
Welcome to Dubai!
The tallest building in the world from Eng Global, oh.
Good morning, Dubai! Eng Global.
Start na kami here in Dubai.
Hi. Welcome to our first OPP. Good morning po.
G-Force, Dubai!
Our DGX Dubai.
Global Dubai, sama ka na, malakas.
Wala pa 10 o'clock, kunin ko na yung venue natin. Ganun ka-powerful ang Eng Global. Kaya, okay na kayo lahat.
Wahid iting talata arba kam sa sita sa bata man niya sa Tasha.
Bodies prevent diabetes, hypertension, cancer. It's good for everything that you know of. It also has 18 amino acids. These are the built.
You see those people, I see money in their eyes. Everybody wants to earn money.
The system, you just have to go into the system and let the system work for you.
Eng Global Beans is a people's business. You work in the
Because we believe there is so we have one English OPP here at 6 p.m.
So, thank God that I made this company, thank God that I made the product, and share it as much as you can to everyone because you will help someone to protect his life.
Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Dubai para sa anniversary ng Eng Global. Grabe, ang dami namin attendance. Alam problema namin dito, parang Pilipinas lang, wala na rin ticket namin.
Yes, power dito sa UAE.
Grabe, nakaka-inspire, Ibang tubig dito. Pangmayaman ang tubig dito.
It's wild,
Kasi.
Yes, kung yung tinuturo mo, kaya mong gawin. Focus.
Hi! Grabe! Ang gagawin namin, hindi relax,
may thrill, kung hindi, industry!
Grabe, hindi ko na maramdaman ng tenga at ilong ko.
It's negative 3 degrees in this ski Dubai, and we're inviting you to join us here at United Arab Emirates. Hope you can join us in the next Dubai trip. Power, be there.
He's our driver.
Ay guys, grabe! Pinagagawa na sa buhay namin tiglan! Alam nyo ba na pag binigyan ka ng isang mayaman ng camel, napakaswerte mo kasi pinapasok sa'yo na malupit na nakasigan.
Yes. Night safari. Mamaya, meron belly dancing dyan. Masaya.
Syukran, katir, kalam, tiyan.